Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Welcome to the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. Living and non-living things. Look around you right now. What do you see? Maybe a tree, a rock, a dog, or a toy. Some of those things are alive. Some are not. But how can we tell the difference? Today, we're going to learn what makes something alive. We'll talk about the difference between living things, non-living things, and things that are man-made. We'll also learn some special science words: biotic, abiotic, and artificial. Let's explore together. In science, we often start by putting things into groups. That is also called classification. One big way to group things is by asking this question: is it living or non-living? Let's start with living things. These are things that are alive right now or were once alive. These things are also called biotic. The word biotic comes from the Greek word bios, which means life. Plants, animals, people, fungi, and even tiny bacteria are all biotic. Living things have some special features in common. Scientists call these the characteristics of life. Let's look at 7 things that all living things do. Number 1, they grow. A seed grows into a plant. A kitten grows into a cat. Number 2, they reproduce. That means they can make more of their kind. Dogs make puppies. Apple trees grow apples with seeds inside. Number 3, they respond to their environment. A sunflower turns toward the sunlight. A rabbit runs away if it hears a loud sound. Number 4, they use energy. Plants get energy from sunlight. Animals eat food to get energy. Number 5, they get rid of waste. All living things create waste, and they have ways to remove it. Number 6, they are made of cells. Cells are tiny building blocks. Some living things are made of one cell. Others, like people and whales, are made of trillions of cells. Number 7, they maintain balance inside. This is called homeostasis. It means keeping things just right inside the body, like the right temperature. If something does all of these things, scientists say it is alive. Now let's talk about non-living things. These are things that do not show all the characteristics of life. They are not alive, and they never were. Non-living things found in nature are called abiotic. That word means not life. Abiotic things include water, rocks, air, sunlight, temperature, soil, wind. These things are very important. Even though they are not alive, they help support life. Plants need water and sunlight. Animals need air and shelter. So, abiotic things are still part of nature's big picture. There's one more group to learn about: man-made things. These are also called artificial things. Man-made things are created by people. They are not alive. Your backpack, your bicycle, a tablet, or a spoon, these are all man-made. Even though they may be made from natural materials like wood or metal, they do not grow, reproduce, or respond to the environment. They are not made up of cells. They do not use energy or remove waste. That means they are non-living. Some man-made things look like they are alive. A robot might move and talk, but robots are not made up of cells. They don't grow, reproduce, or carry out all the life processes, so they are not alive. Let's take a moment to sort what we've learned. A tree is biotic. It is alive. A rock is abiotic. It is not alive and never was. A ball is artificial. It's made by people and is also not alive. So, what about a leaf that has fallen off a tree? It was once part of a living tree, so we say it is biotic. Even if it's dead now, it used to be alive. Our world is full of both living and non-living things. They all work together. Plants grow in soil. Animals drink water. People build homes using wood and stone. Even though not everything is alive, every part of the earth matters. Understanding the difference between biotic, abiotic, and artificial things helps us take better care of nature and each other. Now you know what makes something alive. Living things do special things that non-living things do not. They grow, reproduce, respond, and use energy. They are made up of cells and can keep balance inside their bodies. Next time you walk through the park or play in your yard, stop and ask, what's alive here? What's not? And what was made by people? There's a whole world of wonder waiting for you to explore. Thanks for watching the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.